How are we doing, everyone? How are we doing? I hope you've all had a good week. I hope you're all green on the week. Just a very quick video just to announce I'm going to be running a little fun trading competition, paper trading competition. So yeah, I'm just going to spend a couple of minutes going through how to enter, what the trading rules will be, and the little prize that there'll be at the end as well for the winner. It'll be a 1-day event on Wednesday. What day is it going to be on Wednesday? Bear with me, guys. Wednesday the 23rd. So yeah, next Wednesday coming. Yeah, it'll be a 1-day event. You can trade from Asia open all the way through to New York close. So it's basically open to anyone, any time zone. And yeah, you send your results over to me, your trading stats at the end of the day, your P&L, and highest P&L wins. And I'll do a little leaderboard, a little table, and list where everyone's come, so you can sort of check that out afterwards, and see where you placed. And yeah, it's just a bit of fun. And yeah, just thought it'd be a good laugh. All right, let's quickly run through the rules. So as I said, it runs from Asia open all the way through to New York close. Highest P&L wins. So trading rules has to be futures only. So no CFDs, no forex. Obviously, you can trade futures forex, but yeah, not CFDs. So it can be on a prop firm practice account. It can be on a broker sim account. It can be on trading views paper trading account. But the key thing is it's got to be reset. So there's got to be no trade data. So no trade history on there. So yeah, reset it, set it to whatever account balance you want. It doesn't matter. But yeah, one of the most important thing is that on your trade data, on the, say, the little bottom bar that you pull up, it's got the following information on there. So you want symbol traded, date and time of entry, entry price, how many contracts, and the P&L of the trade. And I'll show you some examples at the end quickly. So max loss limit would be 2,000. So whatever your starting balance is, like I said, it doesn't matter, but your balance cannot go negative 2,000 basically. So almost picture it like a 50k challenge account with a prop firm sort of thing. Done that just so it's the same for everyone. Maximum of 5 minis or 50 micro contracts at any one time. Again, just to try and make it a level playing field, so it's the same for everyone. Minimum of 3 trades and not one trade to be more than 70% of total day's profits. And again, I've just put this as aimed at scalping rather than someone buying the lower day and having one big win. Do you know what I mean? Cup entry rules. So the key thing is here, you have to be a member of my free Discord. I'll leave a link in the description below. And the main reason for that is so you can send over your trade data to me. Once you finish your day, you can send over a screenshot. And then obviously I'll need to verify that and enter you on the leaderboard. And yeah, I'll give you 24 hours after the cup trading day ends. So yeah, I'll give you 24 hours to screenshot your trades and send it over to me. Ideally, you take your screenshot shortly after you're finished for the day, just so there's no issues of the trade data disappearing or anything the next day. Depending on your broker, it might do. If you do win, I may request to jump on a quick call with you on Discord, just to share your screen, just to go through that trade data, just so I can check that there's no cheating going on. Again, it's a bit of fun, but still, I don't want someone to be cheating. It's not how it works. Results will be announced during a live stream and then posted in Discord, and yeah, I'll probably post it in the YouTube community page as well. It's probably going to take me a few days to sort this out. Obviously, it's just me going through everyone's data and updating onto a leaderboard. So depending on how many entries we get, it could be a couple of days. So I imagine it'll probably be about a week before the winner is announced. So prizes. The main prize is honor. That's what we're all here for. We all want to be the best. And yeah, you'll be known as the paper trade champ. So if you'll be a member of the Discord server, and there will be a very special role created called paper trade champ that only first place cup winners will have. I may only do this once. If that's the case, then the winner will be the only person in the server to ever have that title. So, and you will also win a free trading tool Google sheet that I've created. Obviously, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've made a couple of Google sheets that I've set up for myself. People quite liked them, so I sell them for a very small fee on Etsy as a digital download. So yeah, you'll get one of them as whatever one you choose. If you've already got both of them, or you don't like your options, if you're happy to wait until I have more released, I'm happy for you to take your pick when I release more. I don't release them that often, and I've only got 2 up, so you might be waiting a while. But the option's there if you want it, or you can give it to someone else, someone that you like, or someone that you know, or someone else in the community. You just gotta let me know. So yeah, just quickly some examples of screenshots of the trade data. Sorry, if I zoom in a little bit. So this is on Trading Views paper trading tab that they've got. So you need to be able to send me a screenshot of this where you've got the time and date, entry price, realized P&L, and then yeah, the whatever product you were trading. And then I've got another example on Topstep X. Again, be able to screenshot me this with all the information on P&L. The thing with Topstep X, if you can as well, try and include your P&L at the top. I haven't got it on here, but you know where it comes up green or red if you're down on the day. Your total P&L, just so I can then add up your P&L on here, and just verify that it's obviously correct on there. And that's that. Like I said down here, I may do this again in the future, but I might not. It'd be nice to be able to do it like on a regular basis, maybe like monthly or fortnightly. But I've got a feeling it's going to be quite a lot of work for me, so I might not. Yeah, so again, I'll leave the link for Discord below. You can join there. I'll be doing it as well. So on the Wednesday, I'll be during my normal live stream, New York AM session live stream, I'll be trading that as well. Obviously, if I win, then second place will get the prizes. I think it's very unlikely that I'm going to win, but you never know. Miracles do happen. And yeah, that's that. That'd be a bit of fun. I just thought it'd be a bit of fun for everyone. I'll post this in Discord so you can come back and have a good read of it. And I'll probably post it on the YouTube community page as well. Yeah, just a bit of fun, nothing serious. And I think everyone trades differently on a practice account or a paper account. So yeah, I thought it'd be a bit of fun. Everyone can maybe try a new strategy, be a bit more ballsy than they normally are. So yeah, it should be a good laugh. Quick update on this trading week. On the fundeds, I've only taken one trade, which was today, today is Thursday. And what I'll do, I'll just insert that clip at the end of this video if you're interested in seeing that. If not, then see you later. But yeah, cheers for stopping by, guys. I'm going to try and get better at doing my normal vlog videos, but I haven't been great recently, I know, so apologies for that. And yeah, I'll see you next week for the Unhappy Paper Trading Cup. Good luck. I'm in a short on the fundeds. Not loving that I'm in basically the same trade on the challenge on the fundeds, but really it's just extra confidence in it. Retest off that pivot point. So yeah, it's given me the confidence to go for it on the fundeds. Nice wick rejections off the EMA. Going for it. Nice to have a fucking win finally. What does that end? One, two, three, four. 4 losing streak is over. Thank fuck for that, eh? Thank fuck for that. $246 win.